Parts of a plant. Plants play a very important role on earth. They add oxygen to the air. Oxygen is needed by all living beings to survive. Besides this, they also provide us with food. Plants are found in almost all parts of the planet, on land, under the seas, on the mountains, deserts, etc. Parts of a plant. Let us learn about the different parts of a plant. Stem. Most of the stems are above the ground. However, few stems also grow below the ground. Based on their location, stems are classified into three types: aerial, subaerial, and underground stems. Aerial stems. They grow above the ground. Most of the plants that you see around have aerial stems. Subaerial stems run parallel to the ground. They give off roots at certain intervals or nodes. Underground stems. These are the stems which are present under the ground. They store food for the plant, for example, potato, ginger, etc. Herbs have a very soft and tender stem. Shrubs have a tough stem. Trees have woody stem called trunk. The ring-like structure present on the stem is called a node. The distance between two nodes is called internode. The functions of a stem are: stem transports water and minerals from the roots to the other parts of the plant. The stem supports and holds leaves, flowers, and fruits. The node is placed where branches and leaves are attached. Few stems store food for the plant. Leaves. If you notice a leaf carefully, you will see a network of lines in different directions. They are known as veins. The veins carry food and water through the leaf. They also provide structural support to the leaf. The central vein is called midrib or primary veins. Other small veins emerging from the primary veins are called secondary veins. The pattern of veins on the leaf is called leaf venation. In some leaves, the veins are arranged parallel to each other. This is called parallel venation. For example, the leaves of grass, wheat, and banana plant have parallel venation. Some plants' leaves show a dense network of veins and are called reticulate venation. For example, the leaves of mango and guava plants have reticulate venation. Functions of leaf. Leaves are called the kitchen or food factory of a plant. Leaves prepare food for the plant using a special pigment called chlorophyll in them. Chlorophyll helps the plant to absorb the sunlight and use its energy. Since plants can prepare their food, they are called autotrophs. The function of a leaf are as follows. Leaves prepare food for the plant. During the process of photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide gas and release oxygen gas through small pores called stomata. Hence, they maintain the delicate balance of gases in our atmosphere. Some leaves store food for the plant. For example, lettuce, cabbage, and spinach. Fascinating facts. Like animals, plants also take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide during respiration. However, during photosynthesis, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Roots. In the previous class, we had learned that there are two types of roots, taproot and fibrous root. The main roots of the plant are called the primary roots. Many small roots emerge from the main root. These are called as secondary roots. Hairs present on the root are called root hair. In taproot, there is the main root and clearly defined secondary roots appear from it. Taproots are seen in plants like rose, carrot, radish, etc. Fibrous roots appear like a cluster of secondary roots. No main root is visible. Fibrous roots are seen in plants like maize, grass, wheat, etc. The functions of the root are as follows. Roots help to fix the plant firmly to the ground. Roots bind the soil. This prevents soil erosion. Soil erosion is the process in which the top fertile layer of the soil is blown away by wind or washed away by water. Hence, plants play a significant role in binding the soil. That is another reason why we must plant more trees. They help to absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass it to the stem. Some roots store food for the plant, for example, carrot, radish, etc. Flowers. Flowers are the beautiful part of the plant. They are bright and colorful. They attract insects. Insects help in pollination. Plant reproduces by the help of pollination. Fascinating fact. People make perfumes from flowers like rose and jasmine. Fruits. The fruit contains seeds of a plant. In a flowering plant, it develops from the flower. Some fruits are fleshy while some are juicy. Some fruits have one seed while some fruits have many seeds. Did you know that tomato is a fruit and not a vegetable? So, what decides whether it is a fruit or a vegetable? Technically, fruits contain seeds from which a new plant can grow. Vegetables do not contain seeds. Root system and shoot system. The root system is the underground part of the plant. It is brownish in color. It is an elaborate structure comprising of the primary and secondary roots. The function of the root system is to anchor the plant, absorb water and minerals, and sometimes store food for the plant. Shoot system is the aerial part of a plant body. It consists of stems, leaves, flowers, branches, and buds. It is mostly green in color. The function of the shoot system is to help plants carry out the process of photosynthesis as well as reproduction. Let's sum up. The stem transports the water and minerals from the roots, supports the leaves and branches, and stores food. The network of lines on a leaf is called veins. The pattern of veins on the leaf is called leaf venation. Leaves are called the kitchen or food factory of the plant. The three raw materials needed for photosynthesis is carbon dioxide, gas, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight. The main roots of plant are called the primary roots. Secondary roots emerge from primary. Roots help to fix a plant firmly to the ground. They absorb water and minerals, store food, and prevent soil erosion. The fruit contains the seed of a plant. The root system is the underground part of the plant, while the shoot system is the aerial part of the plant body.